So guys, hi. Today I will show you guys about the second chapter of HTML. So guys, today I'm here to have some techniques of HTML to show you guys about the techniques of HTML. So watch till the end and welcome to the technical channel Tech Legends. And if you like my channel, like my video and subscribe my channel. So guys, let's get started to my video. Welcome to the chapter 2 of HTML web designing. So guys, I have told the basic of HTML in my previous video, so watch that. So I'm starting. So I'm today going to show you guys about the color codes, changing of background of website. So guys, that was the form that I was created in previous video. So I'm typing what the rest. So let me save it, guys. So I'm saving it. The name is color code chapter 2. So guys, let me show you. So see here guys, the first way of practicing the color code of HTML. Here is the result. So to change the background, we should put another tag in this body, inside the body. body bg color. So guys, we have to type body bg color and then set this equal to and double inverted comma, and it should be in name of color. So I'm typing gree and green. So guys, it should be closed by double inverted comma and close. So guys, let me save. When I save, guys, see the result. So you can see here guys, the background is green and the color is also color of this color is also green. So guys, this is the page, and when I change green into blue, so let me see. I am using shortcut keys Ctrl S, guys, so don't be panic. So see here, this color change into blue, and when I change it into red, red. So let me save it. Yes, red. So guys, that is about the background of web page. And if you want to make our writing colorful, so guys, we need to create another tag. So font color, font color equal to, and it also should be in double inverted comma and name of that color. So red. Let me guys save it and let me see. So see here guys, I have changed the color of this tag, that color. By using that tag, I can change that color. So when I typed here again, I am showing this video in DECH and Techno Legends. So guys, if I type this, if I want to
make this sentence in green color, but this sentence in this sentence, let me zoom out. So if I want to change this from here to here in red color, but here to here is green, so let me save it first. Yes, save it first, and when I refresh it, see here it is also showing in red color. So first of all we have to the color of this sentence only. So guys, we need to add here tag FONT font color equals to, and it should be in double inverted comma, so GRAE and green. So let me save it. So see here guys, this is in red color, but this is in green color. So if I remove this tag, you can see a single color only red in a full sentence, not in this guys, if all the body part. If I take a space, line space, so then I typed randomly. When I saved it, it's also showing the same color. It's also showing the same color, but if I tag here, it's showing red. So guys, not only red, not only green, you can choose any color like purple, PURPLE, purple color. So guys, let me save it. Saved, and see here it's in purple. So guys, not in only purple, you can use any color: violet, yellow, blue, red, green, and sky blue, everything. And type in YELLOW. So these colors have their own code, but guys, I am not telling that code in this chapter. I will be telling that code in next video. So guys, bye. Have a good practice. Bye. Good night guys.